let's focus on the sound of the letter E. For egg. Let's make an egg sandwich today. You will need 2 slices of bread, an empty plate, a fork and a spoon, a hard-boiled egg, mayonnaise, and salt and pepper. Let's get started. First, you will need to peel off the shell of the egg. Once you peel off the shell of the egg, use a fork to mash it. Once your egg is all nice and smashed, add in some mayonnaise using a spoon. And then, you can also choose whether you want to add in some salt or some pepper. And there you have a very nice egg and mayonnaise mixture. Now, all you have to do is scoop it onto the plate. And there you have it, a very yummy egg mayo sandwich. The sound of E is